for that the box reads Air Jordan 3 Retro Night Stadium Total Orange. I think you all already know what kicks these are. The box. It says, I'm scared of what I want. I'm scared of what I won't become. And you're scared of what I could become. Let's take a look at these kicks. What's going on? MTIP, Mr. Think Impossible, where I challenge you to think that I'm possible. We have the Jordan 3 Fair Pack, set to be released November 25th, retail price of $200. Let me know what you think about these kicks. Let's take a look at these kicks. I don't know why I say that like that. It's probably offensive to somebody, but I'm saying it out of love. Let's peep these. We're gonna start at the very, very front there. You see that elephant print. You see that midsole. You see that black right along the top here. Now, what we have up front here, this is actually nubuck. This is nubuck right around here on the top. Let me give you a clean look of that right there. And then you see that suede right there. Coming around the side, you see the hints of orange, which is what I like about this cake. It gives you like that nice old hint of orange right there in the eyelet. Look at that clean look right there. Coming around to the side, more hits of orange, more hits of orange. But take a look right at the bottom here. You see that gray speckles right there on the bottom, right into that black. It's almost like the cement. It's almost, you see that? See the hits right there? And then right along that gray, it kind of fades. Look how it fades from that black, the speckles, and then it fades into that gray. Man, this kick is pretty dope. And take a look at them guts. You can see the black insole with the orange jump, man. Now, down bottom, we see the hits of the black with the Jordan. Now, guys, these are going right now for right about $340 if you want to go on GOAT, StockX, Flight Club, and pick these up. Take a look. Man, these are dope. While I have you here, before I even get into the tongue, while I have you here, go on and subscribe, like the video, look out for your boy. My statistics have been showing me that, look, I appreciate the views because I got people peeping my channel and I appreciate that. But there's a high, very 90 percentile of people that watch this channel that just haven't subscribed yet. So look out for your boy. Let's tap that button. Let's take a look at these kicks. So now we're going to get into the suede. If you take a look here, ankle collar right here, we have suede. You see that? Now that is suede versus the nubuck. That's that nubuck material right here. But we have suede here. We have suede hits right here. And we have suede on the tongue. So take a look. I'm gonna give you a clean look at that tongue. Look at that. Now that, my friends, is suede. Look at that. Oh, you know that suede right there. With the orange jump, man. I'm gonna be honest with you. Y'all know I like threes. You know I like threes. And these are super clean. Take a look at these. Now, these originally come with the black laces. Y'all already know. Y'all know I'm gonna get a little crazy with the laces because that's something I like to do just to kind of show you what it looks like with different laces. But ultimately, let me know down below what you think about these. The originals came out 10 years ago in 2013. I did not have an opportunity to get them. This pair right here is an early release. So I'm giving you all a little early view. Flight Club, you see where it's from. Guys, let me know. Do you like threes? And what do you think about this kick? And let me know. Let me know. What color laces do you like best? Guys, I appreciate the love. I appreciate the support. I appreciate the views. And I